Let's now talk about mental health. Stakeholders and medical professionals congregated at Madari National Teaching and Referral Hospital to raise awareness about mental health issues. Participants took to the streets of Nairobi in a vibrant march, carrying banners and placards aimed at enlightening the public on mental health issues. The walk served as a powerful visual reminder of the collective commitment to the mental health issues and encourage open dialogue within communities. Now, Cabinet Secretary for Health, Dr. Deborah Barasa, highlighted achievements made in mental health awareness, saying significant strides had been made in mapping mental health resources and reducing stigma.
Another photo, please.
Mental health continues to be stigmatized and often overlooked, leading to significant consequences for individuals, families, and communities. A significant portion of a person's life is spent in the workplace, and this environment can have a profound impact on their mental well-being. While meaningful work can offer numerous benefits, harmful work conditions can lead to serious mental health issues.
In Madari Hospital, we are committed to heal the minds. In Madari Hospital, we are committed to heal the minds.
We need to come up with a way in which if a mental patient goes to any health facility, he or she must get health care.
The mining sector has been